Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 77 F. We'll set the parking brake first, see if that works. It does. Truck sure runs good. Heater fan works. Hear the blinker. Don't know if it's the indicators. We'll check it when we check the lights. So it's got good oil pressure. Horn still works. There's your wipers. I know it's been sitting all winter, so check. See. Still works. Actually, the blinker does work. Floodlights don't work. Burn out. Just auxiliary, what that is. Headlights. Said the engine runs really smooth. Sounds good. Seeing a little exhaust leak. Power steering, power brakes. This of course just two-wheel drive. Light on this side is burnt out. There it shows you the blinker working. So up there, the blinkers must work up on the body. You've got a tail light here, so blinker works in the front and then up on the wrecker body there. So really cool truck. Any questions, give us a call, 605-695-7391.